This is a 3-in-1 wireless charging station. It can charge your phone, your AirPod, and your, or as it says here, Galaxy Watches and Galaxy Buds. You can charge phone, AirPod and a watch, as we mentioned earlier, or you can charge 2 phones at the same time and a watch. Also works with iPhone, but I am not sure if it works with the iPhone AirPods, because it doesn't say here, it just says, yeah, it says AirPods. Alright, so product specification: input 9 volt 2 amps or 9 volt 3 amps. Output 15 watt 10 watts 7.5 or 5 watts. This is the main output. Output 2 up to 5 watt, output 3 up to 3 watts. And also it has a USB-A output port, which is 5 watts. We have a note here from the seller, I think, or the manufacturer. Please ensure that you use a minimum of a 18 watt quantum 3 wall adapter or equivalent, sold separately, as the unit need high power so that all devices can be charged at the same time. Interesting packaging. Over voltage protection, over current protection, over temperature protection, charge 3 devices, type C port, fast charge 15 watt. My wife bought this, expensive. She paid $64.90, which means $64, almost $65, which is too much. I can buy the same thing third the price from AliExpress. It didn't come with the power adapter, of course. So when my wife bought it, she used normal phone charger and connected it to the USB-C, and it didn't charge the phone because not enough power. So I got a 9 volt power supply from what I got. This one is 2 amps. Also, I bought the USB-C adapter from Barrel to USB-C, so we can use it here to provide 9 volt. Two amps. It's connected to the power source. Now it's connected. Let's give it a try. Charging. And also you can charge here if you want, but of course here it will be slower, and I don't think it will charge here because this is very little power. So you can charge phone here, you can charge a watch here, and an AirPods here at the same time. Also you have a USB-A output at the back, so you can charge something extra. You can charge something else. So now we are charging four devices at the same time. But of course it will be slower for every device. It will not charge quickly. When you use a device, there is a small LED light here that turns blue, if you can see it. This LED. Same thing here, there's another one here. The texture is rubbery. This rubber material, which I'm not fan of, because after a few years it will become sticky glue. These are the specs underneath. Not sure if we have screws here. Let's see if we can take it apart. Yeah, we have 4 screws. Screw. So this is the secondary charging coil, and this is the circuit board. We have weight here. It's a piece of metal. I don't know, the build quality looks okay. These 2 LEDs, we have 2 here, I think, and 2 here. Yeah, 1 red, 1 blue, I think. This is it. This is another one that I bought for $4 secondhand, which is also 3-in-1: watch, AirPods, and phone. And let's give it a quick try. Which I think this one looks nicer because it's compact. Also the LEDs here indicating what is charging. 3 devices. Take the watch off, and the phone. It doesn't charge on the top. Exactly the same. 3-in-1 charging station, wireless charging station. 9 volt, 2 amps. The top one 3 watts maximum, the front 10 watt, and the back 5 watts. And what about this? I don't remember. This one 15 watts for the main one, or 10, etc. 5 watt, 3 watt, yeah, about the same. No brand. Also rubbery texture, and that's it. This is the seller, I believe, and this is the user manual. I will scan it and it will be at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.